Today, I'm taking you on a beautiful journey, the journey of growing a healthy mango tree. We begin with choosing the perfect spot. Mangoes love sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. I plant the young seedling in loose, well-drained soil, and
As our mango tree grows, care becomes its greatest protector. Water deeply, but not too often. Once or twice a week is perfect for young trees. Mulch around the base to keep the soil cool and moist. And remember, mangoes don't like wet feet. Always let the topsoil dry.
Every living thing needs protection, and mango trees are no different. Check the leaves often. If you see black spots, curled leaves, or tiny insects, act quickly. Use neem oil or organic sprays to keep pests away. Good airflow, clean branches, and sunlight help.
After months of care, the magic begins. Flowers appear, turning into tiny mangoes full of promise. As they grow, reduce watering slightly to encourage sweeter fruit. And when their color deepens,